In this video, I want to show you through one of the new devices, Spectral Resonator. I've found it's really great for adding kind of subtle tonality to drum sounds. So I've got a basic drum pattern here, just with the drum rack from the Live library. Let's have a listen. And I've loaded up the metallic tail preset from the Live library. Let's have a listen to that being applied. So it's a bit intense to begin with, but even just by pulling down the decay time, it gives it this really nice kind of tonal tail. And by further experimenting with some of the other parameters, we can kind of play around with the character of that effect.